Hi, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the 2018 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. As you can see from this boat, this is designed to be a very multi-purpose platform with fishing capabilities, lounging capabilities, great for the sandbar, great for offshore, and just a beautiful layout that's now time-tested over 4 years in production. Let's take a step on the boat. As you can see from the bow, again designed to lounge, but also flipping the cushions down, removing all of the cushions themselves, you have non-skid fishing casting platform to the bow and designated insulated and also dry storage beneath. A massive garage forward, perfect for holding rod holders, insulated of course, and gasketed, making everything very easy to access. A great timeout area for the kids. Sun lounge forward here, which is a perfect bow arrangement. You can also get full high profile bow rails, and trolling motor is already pre-drilled access to the bow along with anchor windlass. Take a step to the helm. One of the most comfortable pedestal seat stations that I've ever sat in. Fully customizable with bolster, 5-position helm steering here, and then on the dash capable of holding two 12-inch screens, again fully customizable, that your dealer can assist with. Fusion stereo, rocker switches, Bluetooth connectivity, and a fully integrated fly-by-wire control system for your supercharged Mercury Verados on the back. Full hardtop on this model, great for the outriggers or additional electronics, radar to the hardtop, and of course, what would the boat be without a pump-out head in the console itself. Bait well prep station here, also great for another cooler, and your own Yeti cooler down beneath with sink and basin. To the port side, you'll notice here a great swim patio. This whole apparatus folds down, flush with the water, 90% of the time how you're going to board this boat. It's really quite incredible, and always point out how beefy the hardware is on a Boston Whaler. The aft bench seat, again customizable, folding down. Nice flush platform here, great for a casting chair or fishing pedestal seat, and really accessible here on the transom, able to board the boat from both sides. Getting around your motors, able to access them, additional rod holders in the transom. It's just a great platform. Again, thanks for taking a look at the video walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 2018 270 Dauntless. I'm Ian Stevenson, and we'll see you out there.